Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have a Bank of America credit card, paying your bills is quick and easy. In this video, I'll walk you through step by step how to pay your credit card bills using the Bank of America website. Let's get started. On the website, log into your online banking and select the Bills Pay tab, then follow the instructions. If you're paying your bill from an account at another financial institution, select Manage Pay to Pay from Accounts link from the bill pay menu, then select the Add Pay from Account button and follow the instructions. If you want to make payments using the mobile app, log into the mobile banking app and select your credit card account, then select the Make a Payment button. You can also tap the Erica icon and say, I want to pay my credit card, then follow the instructions. To make life easier, you can set up automatic payments for your credit card bills, and here's how you can do it. Log into your Bank of America account via the website or app. Navigate to the autopay section under your credit card account and choose the payment type, the funding account and payment date, and you read the details and confirm. With autopay, you'll never miss a due date again. And there you have it, 3 easy ways to pay your credit card bills with Bank of America. If this video helped you, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more banking tips. Have questions or you need help, drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.